Last day in Osaka. Catching our train to Nara. 11. Get there probably 12. Check out the deer. Missed the city. Well, on to the next. Let's go. Alright, we made it to Nara station. Not that busy. This cool little thing. These don't seem more just more urbanized. Hello buddy, I met your cousins at Miyajima. Go pet it. He's scared, his hand, I know right, it's really dirty. Don't know where it's been. Alright, here we go, Nara. With some deer just hanging around. You guys are cool. Here we are. This place, the pagoda, it's everything. This is one of Nara's big ones, but sadly it's raining. Oh, nice little hole. Unfortunate about the weather though. Here we are in the midst of it. So like a random as lake, would you say?
Yeah,
Lake. Not very strong impression for Nara. But it took us an hour to get out here, so I might as well make the most of it. We are just walking to wherever the road leads us. Just a little bit. Alright. Hey, you're a grown deer now, alright? Look after yourself. No, you can't cry. Alright. Oh, look, this one, he's running. Oh, his horns. So Moses is just interacting with them. Here's Moses. It's gonna bow. Oh, it's too late. No, hold on. Yeah, no. It was bowing to you. Nah, he's like, nah, bro. Not this time. Go now. Yeah, I got it. There you go. Okay, show me. I want see, this one's starting with the bells.
Oh, that's sick.
Hey!
There's another one. Double.
Pass it away, break them in your hand.
Oh. That's mean.
Alright, we made it to Kyoto. Let's go. I don't know where this guy is, but alright, we made it. Yeah, I stopped rolling one because it's like an we made it to our hotel in Kyoto. It's a nice laid back spot in Gion. Easy. We're just gonna go get some food. Oh, not too sure we're having. Surely there's something open. Let's go.